House number 2, this was on Dublin, and I mean, this one is kind of a typical starter home, right?
Right, yeah, that's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. You know, that home was like 1,700 square feet. It was listed at 348, 450. So really more the entry level in the city of Grapevine. Now, as we noted in the film or in the video, that the home needed, you know, quite a bit of updating.
Yeah.
Very livable, but
and it passed, you know, I would say it would pass an inspection, and you know, anything from an appraisal standpoint, I didn't see anything in particular. So, I mean, I think that's really good. And also, from a starter home standpoint, it's within the conforming loan limits, so that would be fine for FHA or conventional, if you're putting 3.5% down or 5% down.
Yeah, but very typical home. You know, built in the late 70s, and it looks like, you know, they've kept it up, but just haven't really done a whole lot of updating. And somebody will come in there and, you know, paint everything, and they'll start swapping out countertops, and it could be a really cute property, you know, with a little bit of little TLC. Yeah,
and you know, this would be ideal kind of for a renovation loan opportunity as well. Okay. So you could find out, you know, so basically, you know, you have it at its raw level, and then you decide what you want in terms of, you know, if you want to update the kitchen, if you want to renovate the bathroom, if you want to, you know, whatever you want to do, you're able to, you know, work with a contractor, get the, you know, whatever that's going to cost, and then from knowing what it's going to cost, then you could build that cost of renovation into your loan amount. So now you just have one loan. Right, and then you close in a regular time frame. It's a little bit longer, maybe like 45, 60 days. But then from there, then you're able to, within 6 months, do those final renovations. And now you've got a completed home. And yeah, so.
So do you get like a contractor to come out and give you bids so that you can then add, you know, send that to you so you can build that into the loan? Yeah, so there's different options. So there's a 203K loan, which is FHA. And there's also a renovation loan on Fannie Mae as well, and now Freddie Mac. So what we do is, you know, we assign you to a contractor that's FHA approved or conventional approved, and they come out to the home, they meet with you, they determine, okay, if anything needs to go up to the standards of FHA or conventional, that's automatically built in, right? So if the home was missing a roof, you know, or there was a giant gash, or there was just something that wouldn't pass a regular appraisal inspection, then they will address that part of the renovation like
part first.
Maybe?
You could also factor in new appliances. That was something I learned pretty recently. So you can get, you know, you can get a refrigerator, right? So you kind of build all those things in, and then from there, once the home is completed, we then will send out an appraiser to do a final appraisal, make sure everything was completed. But now you've got the home customized to your tastes, and you know, in this market, that might be the best option, because you know, if you're a seller and you're selling the home, and you know, it's not going to be the most appealing to someone that wants a brand new home or a brand new renovated home, right? Because those homes go, you know, those are the first ones that go.
And over asking.
Yeah. But if you position it to some people, and I don't know, maybe I print out some flyers or something, right? And we talk about it, you know, this is a good renovation loan opportunity where now you can get somebody where they're going to do the renovation loan, and you can paint that picture for them and say, you know, this home can be customized to your taste, and kind of spin it that way.